In a world flooded with rapid change and passing ideas, ancient wisdom often holds the keys to lasting truths. Stoicism, a philosophy originating in ancient Greece, offers insights that are as relevant today as they were centuries ago. As we face modern challenges like the search for genuine respect, looking at Stoicism is not just a journey into the past, but an exploration of timeless principles that shape character and conduct. Let's dive into Stoic philosophy and find out how his lessons of self-control, virtue, and resilience not only inspired the great thinkers of the past, but can also illuminate our path in the present, offering a solid approach to earning true respect and admiring in an ever-changing world. Stoicism, a philosophy dating back to ancient Greece, remains a source of profound wisdom and applicable to modern life. Originated as a guide to facing the challenges of existence with virtue and equanimity, Stoicism transcended cultural eras and boundaries, offering universal principles for the pursuit of a meaningful and respectable life. In this exploration, we will delve into the essence of Stoicism and its transformative potential in the contemporary context. By introducing fundamental concepts such as self-control, virtue, and resilience, we will examine how these philosophical pillars can not only strengthen our ability to navigate the complexities of modern life, but also cultivate a deeper sense of personal and mutual respect. Let's discover together how Stoicism can be applied as a vital tool to inspire and sustain respect in a world where values often seem fluid and transient. In the contemporary context, many face the challenge of gaining genuine respect in a dynamic and competitive society. The search for validation and recognition often leads to a superficiality of interactions and a deficit of authentic respect. Authenticity is questioned, and trust can be difficult to establish in an environment where appearances often outweigh substance. The pressure to achieve external standards of success and popularity can obscure core values such as integrity and character, making it challenging to build meaningful relationships based on sound principles. In this scenario, there is a need for a philosophical approach that not only offers practical guidance, but also promotes a deeper and lasting vision of respect, anchored in intrinsic values, and the ability to face challenges with serenity and ethics. We will now explore the core principles of Stoicism, self-control, virtue, and resilience, and how these philosophical foundations can be applied in a practical way to cultivate genuine respect. Self-control teaches how to manage emotions and actions with discernment, ensuring that our decisions are guided by reason and not by momentary impulses. Virtue guides us to act with integrity and ethics, laying the foundation for relationships based on trust and admiration. Resilience strengthens our ability to face adversity with courage and serenity, demonstrating a strong character worthy of respect. By incorporating these principles into our daily lives, we can not only strengthen ourselves internally, but also inspire and positively influence those around us, building a legacy of respect that transcends the superficialities of the modern world. An emblematic example of the power of Stoicism in gaining respect is the legacy of Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher-emperor of Rome. Facing the challenges of ruling a vast empire in turbulent times, Aurelius not only demonstrated wise and compassionate leadership, but also unwavering resilience in the face of adversity. His application of Stoic principles not only consolidated his power, but also gained the deep respect of his contemporaries and subsequent generations. Marcus Aurelius personifies how Stoicism can transform not only individuals but also entire societies, offering an inspiring model of how to live with dignity, morality, and authenticity amid the complexities of modern life. In short, Stoicism reveals itself not only as an ancient philosophy, but as a timeless guide to gaining respect in an ever-changing world. By cultivating self-control, practicing virtue, and developing resilience, we can not only strengthen our own personal integrity, but also positively influence those around us. Through these principles, we learn to face challenges with serenity, to act wisely, and to build relationships based on trust and mutual admiration. Stoicism enables us to transcend external pressures and live up to our deepest values, offering a solid path to achieving genuine and lasting respect in every aspect of our lives. What are your thoughts on Stoicism and its role in winning respect? Share your ideas and experiences in the comments below. Sign up for more philosophical and practical discussions on how to apply timeless principles to strengthen your personal and professional life. Together, we can explore how Stoicism can be a powerful tool for tackling contemporary challenges with wisdom and integrity, building a world where respect is not only an ideal, but an achievable reality for all. What are your thoughts on Stoicism and its role in winning respect? Share your ideas and experiences in the comments below. Sign up for more philosophical and practical discussions on how to apply timeless principles to strengthen your personal and professional life. Together, we can explore how Stoicism can be a powerful tool for tackling contemporary challenges with wisdom and integrity, building a world where respect is not only an ideal, but an achievable reality for all. This narrative interweaves the ancient wisdom of Stoicism with practical insights into modern life, illustrating how its principles can lead to a deeper sense of respect and fulfillment in our interactions and endeavors.